If you're having a problem of either listening to a voice message or sending it in WhatsApp, then watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you 3 different solutions for this problem. I'm first going to open the settings page on my iPhone and then scroll all the way down and open the Apps section. After that, my job is to locate WhatsApp, which should be at the very bottom of this page. Here it is. So I will open this, and you'll then see all of these different options, which we can customize. If the microphone option was disabled for you, then that's what caused our issue because WhatsApp didn't have access to the microphone, so that's why we couldn't send those voice messages. Just enable this switch, and then we're going to go back to the main settings page and scroll to the very top of the screen. I'm going to tap on Bluetooth, and then make sure that you don't have any Bluetooth headphones or speakers connected. Maybe the voice message was sent normally, but you can't hear it because it's playing through that Bluetooth device. So turn off Bluetooth temporarily, restart WhatsApp, and see if that fixes your problem. The third and final solution which I have for you in this video is to hop over to this General section, after which we're going to select the iPhone storage option. After that, we're going to find and open WhatsApp on this list. What we will essentially do is we will tap on this Offload App option, and this step clears the bugs, glitches, and unnecessary files which your app may have. These files can cause voice message and other problems, so offloading the app will fix this issue. After it offloads, tap on Reinstall App, and then wait for the app to download and install the latest version from the App Store. And don't worry, this step won't delete any of your conversations and similar. It will just refresh the app and hopefully fix your problem. If you have any more fixes, please make sure to leave them in the comments down below so we can help more people. Thanks for watching, everyone.